Hello everyone, Val is here, and today I would like to invite you to join to my trading journey. I'm gonna share with you the good, the bad, and the very ugly because I am a beginner forex trader, so you're gonna see it all. And in this video, I will share with you the amount of money I'm starting with, and I'll share with you my first ever trade I made and how did it go. As a newbie, I know I'm gonna be getting lots of drawback, losses, and bad days. And all the money that I put in my trading account, I am willing to lose it while I'm learning. Obviously, that's not my goal, and I'm here to try and be profitable. I even put my Superman t-shirt, so I'm hopefully gonna make my first trade as a winner, but we'll see. So for now, let's jump into the video. All right, so here you'll be able to see my little account that I'm starting with, which is $1,200. Right now it's a little bit up because I'm in the trade right now. So this is my first real trade that I took. And so as you can see, my spread here is 2.2, which is pretty high. On the average is like 2.2. So I decided that I'm going to be getting into this specific trade, which is USD GPY, that I'm going to start getting after this candle, because kind of see that the trend was going up and this looked like a bullish candle to me, that I was thinking it's going to continue going up. So, and I kind of missed it right here because I wanted to enter about 1 pip above this candle and I kind of missed it. So the best thing from kind of learn, do not try to catch your trades and run after them, because that's not a good strategy. Anyway, from what I learned, again, I'm pretty green and this is my first real trade. So I just put it here as a buy limit at this area. And eventually, as you see it, this candle went up and then this started, and then somewhere here, it got my trade. Because of the big spread, this is one of the issues of not having a broker with a very small spread. This is kind of the issues you can get, that even when it reached here, it wouldn't trigger my my entry point because the spread is so high. So actually the candle had to go like somewhere up to here to actually trigger my order, which I kind of was in theory knowing that, but anyway, that's what happened, and eventually triggered it. Unfortunately, it started going down, but again, because of this big spread, I also got lucky because I put my stop loss here, and as you see, it went all the way down. So if we'll say this one at 106.79, so it went all the way to 106.77.7, and it still didn't trigger my stop loss. So I kind of got lucky. If it would continue just a little bit tiny more down, it would trigger the stop loss. And now, as we see it continue going up, so my target is right here, and I'm really hoping it's gonna get there, but we never know. Another thing that I was learning, and I'm trying to kind of stick to it, because this is at the end of the month when I'm gonna be, let's say I'm gonna go through 30 days of trading and I'm gonna see how my months went. So to kind of get a better idea, you have to stick to the same plan. So if you risk in 1 hour, so you're gonna be your profit, you're risking 1 hour for 1.4, 1.5, 2, whatever it is. I'm trying kind of stick to the same level. So if I put 1 hour, I'll be risking 1 hour. My profit, I want to be 1.5. So I will try to stick to that and just let it go. Because if I would be continue watching the screen at this point, I would probably already be saying over here, okay, no, I'm out of this trade. This is way too much for me because it's emotional. Even though I'm only trading for now with 5,000. So like you see how far it went up, and I'm making here only $5. But the thing, when it started going down and you're watching it, you start getting stressed out. And even if it's dollar too, but it's very emotional game. So I'm trying to get myself as less as possible to into these all emotions and kind of distance myself. So what I did, I entered here, I went out, I did whatever I had to do. I came back somewhere in this area. And it was kind of going to the red slowly, so I was worried, but I said, okay, I'll leave it. I got lucky once. Who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky twice, right? So while this is going, I just want to mention a couple things. From all these videos that I watched about Forex trading and you need to do like this, you need to do like that. Overall, what my strategy in life, overall, me and my wife, if you want to start doing something and if you're going to be learning about something, you have to put your money where your mouth is. You don't have to be putting a lot of money, but when you put the money there, you're really going to start learning. And I'm not telling you just go open a trading account and start trading like crazy. What I did, I started with the practice account. So I practice, and the mainly thing what I practice is how to enter a trade, how to put my profit, how to put my stop loss. So things like this. And then when I kind of learned and I got the idea basically how the platform works and I watched some videos, I really were eager. Maybe it's not a very good thing, but I was eager to start trading with money because I see when I put my money, I really paying attention. And a lot of things that I heard before about how to do some analysis, what you should be looking at, everything clicked when my money was on the line. And I look at it deeper. I was paying more attention. Should I be getting in here? Because with the practice account, you're like, hey, I'll just put it, we'll see where it goes, without too much thought behind it. So it's just more like, yeah, we'll see lucky or not. So even if you put like $1,000, trade with $1,000, which is like cents overall, if you're gonna lose, if you're gonna win, $1, $2, but this is where you're really gonna start learning how to manage yourself, how to manage your emotions, because when you start trading with your money, this is very stressful. And again, here I was in a loss of I don't know, like $4 or $5, and it's kind of stressful because you want to be successful and you don't want to see yourself losing and thinking, oh, it's a losing trade and okay, everything downhill from here. But when you do trade with real money, you can start managing those feelings. You can start seeing how it is really. And again, we just been doing everything in our life like this. If we wanted to invest in properties, if we want to be buying, selling some things, we just go ahead and do it. And that's when you're really going to learn. And the interest is going to catch on. So this is kind of my idea and how I'm go. Again, it's not a financial advice. You can just go ahead and do how you feel comfortable. But it's definitely a good idea to start practicing, start listening to people out there, just see who following what strategy. There's a lot of nice, interesting strategies people posting on YouTube. So yeah, and I hope you're gonna be following my progress. Again, it's my first real trade. I did the trade before when I just opened the account. It was like 94 cents in profit, but I just wanted to see, okay, it's working. I put my stop loss, whatever, just got out before. Yeah, so now here we are. We're kind of going down and it's very frustrating looking at this. So as soon as I'm going to be done with this part of the video, I'm going to just leave my computer. I'm going to go do whatever, and probably in an hour or so, couple hours, I'm going to check if we actually reach our target. and see how that goes. So overall, my strategy for the future is just try to stick to my plan. Try to trade every day. So I will be putting everything in this Excel spreadsheet so I can be showing you how many losses, hopefully none, but you know, it's inevitable. How many losses, how many wins, if I'm in profit after 30 days of trading, if I'm in loss. So then I can analyze and see, am I doing good? Am I doing bad? What do I learn in the process? So if you're starting or if you kind of in between, just stick to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing things, and I hope you will like it. I'm going to be providing pretty much all the information, how I'm doing it, what I'm looking at. And if you know of any brokers, I did some research. I'm currently right now, we change countries, so I cannot be opening right now a new account, but I'm hopefully going to be opening one soon. And I'm really looking forward to find an account that actually going to have a much lower spread that I have, because this is, if you see like 5, 6 pips, 7, like it's extremely tough to trade with it, especially when you're beginner. It's hard enough to get yourself into profit, and then when you have spreads like this, it's like it's gonna be even harder. So I think pretty much share everything for right now. We're gonna continue and wait to see when it's gonna hit my profit, hopefully, or the other side, which hopefully not gonna get there. But I'm gonna keep you updated about that. Again, I'm gonna give it a couple hours and I'll come back. And I am back after I've been waiting probably 20 minutes since I last stopped recording, and we just hit our profit target, which is awesome. Very excited. My first real trade, and it was successful. Again, I know there's gonna be many losers, but it's just nice to start at the right side. So my profit was at 107.04, and we're at 107.05 right now. So it closed, as you can see, we are in $10 profit. It's not much, but feels pretty good, I have to admit. And yeah, so that's that for my first trading experience. And I'm gonna be continue posting this kind of videos. I'm just now slowly learning some strategies, what you should be looking at, how you should be looking at. Overall here, what was my strategy to look at. So I saw this bullish pin and I said, okay, let's check the 1 hour time frame. So we'll see if the trend is actually going up, because you know a lot of people say now trend is your friend until it's not anymore. So as of me watching at it, it was going up. So then I went to 15 minutes time frame and I check here again and it was going up. So I was like, okay, let's pull the trigger. So that's where I pulled the trigger right here. Here was my stop loss and we reach our target profit. Very exciting for joining me in my journey, and I really hope that you'll stick around and we can grow together. If you have any questions, any suggestions, I would love to hear them. Again, I'm a newbie, so I want to learn. Everything is interesting for me. I am putting my time into it. So if you have a suggestion, let me know. If you're brand new and you in a difficulty of starting, you're not sure, should I not, stick to the channel and hopefully I'll be able to change your mind and you will start, because this looks like a lot of fun. So make sure to subscribe, like the video if you did, and click the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video.